Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a really exciting video because I'm gonna be showing you what I got from, she wanted to pop out. I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got from the thrift store. I don't know if I really mentioned this a lot. I feel like if you follow me on my Instagram, Shaylin Denise, 2 E's, you will see like in my stories that every once in a while I will kind of like take you guys along with me when I go thrifting. And honestly, thrifting is like, it's just something about it. I think I'm gonna do a video on like how to really get the finds for thrift stores, what I look for in a thrift, like, you know, in things that you're thrifting, because when I first started thrifting, I literally would just get whatever. I was like, ooh, this is cute, this is unique, this is like, some things would be ugly and I'd be like, fetch. So if you stay tuned, I'm gonna be showing you guys what I got from the thrift store. I'm so excited. I've already worn most of the stuff. It's not as big as it usually is, but I'm still excited about it. So make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. Make sure that you give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and let's get on into the goodness. Okay, so the thrift store that I went to is called Village Discount. It's here local to where I live, and I'm not gonna lie, sometimes I'll be wondering if it's really a thrift store. Like I want to know if there's a difference between like a Village Discount and a Goodwill. I say this because I ended up spending $77 at Village Discount. Woo! Like, yeah. So, you know, the whole idea of thrifting, oh my god. The whole idea of thrifting is like getting clothes. Actually, you know what? I feel like the actual whole idea of thrifting is, you know, finding like, trendy's not the word, I mean, but thrifting is kind of trendy because it's a trend that's going on where like a lot of the trends that come around now are just like cycling back around from years ago. So the first thing that I got actually is this top. It actually says like that 92. Not positive what it means, but I do like it. I love that it's like a cropped fit. I usually wear cropped sweatshirts in the fall, like with a jean jacket on top and some leggings and some Timbs or something that's super comfortable. But I also wear shirts like these when I go to work out. So I was actually partially going to the thrift store to look for sweatshirts and baggier t-shirts that I could cut and make crops. So when I saw this, it was like, it's already done. That's good. It's really warm. It's really a long sleeve. I feel like this is a thrift store find that's kind of like, you know, more of a current find. Like, I don't know, I get a lot of pieces that I feel like are coming back in style or also are still in style, and people just decided to donate it instead of like giving it to a real consignment shop like Plato's Closet or something. The next item is this jean jacket. It's like a dark brown wash. It has pink on the inside, but that's obviously not visible. I do roll up the sleeves. It is a few sizes bigger than what what would actually fit me, but I like that because I like to put this on over layers. Like I have another thrifted jean jacket that I'm obsessed with, my friends are obsessed with. Like we literally wear it out to the club, we wear it out to like if I'm going to study, like I wear it all the time, but it's like a lighter wash. So I wanted to get kind of a darker one. I really love this. It has a bit of a it has a cut where it kind of stops right above your hips. I really like it. I really do. I feel like it could go with a lot. Mainly I could see myself wearing this with like a lot of sweatshirts in the fall and trying to keep warm and a little bit trendy too. I got this for $20, and I think it's because it really is a really good quality. Like this actually could last me till like I'm like 30. Also, this sweatshirt was $5. So the next item that I got, I feel like is such a steal. Like, oh my gosh, look at this green, like hunter green leather jacket. This also was $20, but look at the quality. When you see it, it's like a fitted jacket. It has these ties that go along the side with silver details or accents, I guess. And it's just like, I look for quality leather jackets like it's my mission. And so finding this for $20, I know that when I go to TJ Maxx, when I go to, first of all, if you go to Forever 21, you probably will pay about $20 for a jacket, and it may not even be that good of quality. If you go to TJ Maxx, this is gonna be like $50, $60. So finding it for $20 with such good quality, It says it's from CI Sono. I don't know if that's like a good brand or not. I don't know, am I playing myself? Should I not have even said that? Okay. I love the way that this fits. I love the way that it looks because this is definitely like one of my staple going out outfits or like pieces when I'm going out, because you know, you want to be cute, you want to be sleek, but you also want to be warm. And so I was so excited when I found this jacket. Another item that I thought was kind of fun was this hat. Don't judge me, I thought it was $3. It ended up being $8. Once again, I blacked out and I kind of regret it because I tried this on. Ooh, honey, what does she look like? But the thing is, with my wig on, it does not fully fit on my head. Like, I feel like you could rock it, you know, a little bit. Where does this even, I think this goes in the front. I don't know which way this, I'm assuming, okay. With my wig on, it doesn't fully fit down, so it looks more like a witch hat. But I feel like if I were to straighten my natural hair or even just slick it down, it would be so freaking cute. Although it's like, maybe it wasn't worth $8, especially if it doesn't fit. At the time, in my defense, I had a bun, so that's why I didn't try it on. I didn't assume my head was that freaking big. But if I decide that I'm not gonna wear this, I probably will take it to like Plato's Closet or try to sell it on eBay or something for about the same price that I bought it for, just so that I'm not like just buying things and wasting money. I really like this hat. I thought it was so cute. I've always wanted to try it out. I thought it was $3 and I was like, for $3 we can do this. And then once it ended up being $8, it just, things happen so fast when you're at that checkout register, so fast. So now we're getting more into like accessories. So one accessory that I got is a scarf, and this is just something I picked up. It's a pink, it reminds me of a Burberry print, as you can see. This one actually was $3, so that's why I got it, because we are like in Ohio, it gets cold, and honestly, like, I do like to match my scarves with my outfits, and a lot of my scarves are neutrals like gray, tan, stuff like that, black. And so I thought it was so cute to have one like this, because, you know, if you do want to like maybe dress it up a little or just feel a little fancier, a little cuter, add a little pink, this would be so cute for $3. The next item I got literally cracks me up because it's not like a name brand or anything, but I just find it to be so freaking cute. So I got this backpack purse, and it's so cute. It's just like this small purse. It has this gold detailing on it, and it has two pouches right here. And it's a backpack, and it even has this zipper area, and I just thought this was so cute. It's like a red, it's small. I feel like you could just put this on your back whenever you're going like shopping, or even I guess to the club. I don't really like wearing backpacks to the club because you never know, people be reaching your stuff, but this is just so cute. It like makes a statement. I really do like this book bag, and it was $20. It was $19.99, which I just realized. Like, it's really, like, that's why I'm thinking, like, is Village Discount even a, like, it's obviously not Goodwill, but is it even a thrifting place, or is it actually just like discounted, you know, like below even like TJ Maxx discounted, you know? Because I just realized like I low-key did like go in like $70 at Village Discount. I don't know. So I really love this book bag. I think it's so freaking cute. Once again, if I end up not wanting this bag, or even after I'm done, I probably will just sell it online. That's the great thing about the internet these days, is that, you know, when in doubt, you could just like sell it and kind of get rid of what you don't need. So, and then the last item that I was just like shooketh about, like, girl, I literally was walking down the aisle where they have all of their like purses and scarves, and I saw this and I was like, what? Like, I was shook. Y'all, do not play with me. I found a freaking Fendi purse at the Village Discount for $6. Like, literally, this purse was just hanging there, and I looked around because I'm like, so what? I mean, because, ooh, hold on. Because I was like, nobody's really trying to get this. Like, what is going on? And so I grabbed it, and I'm like, this is a freaking Fendi purse. And so I don't think I would carry it, just because I don't know. I feel like you gotta be, trendy. Like this style of purse is definitely like old school, and I think that really trendy people could know how to like work it and make it look all good now. That ain't me. That, like, look, what do I look like? Actually, I kind of look cute. Hello. Wow. So I literally found a Fendi purse for $6 freaking dollars, and I was like shook it. So I'm like over here deciding. Comment down below, because I'm deciding if I should keep this and try to actually like work it, or if I should just sell it on eBay. This is like wild to me, and I kind of want to like give it to somebody else who will really like be like, ooh girl, like I need this in my life, versus me just being like, I guess I'll wear it, you know what I mean? So, oh, I was so excited about that. All right, so that's all that I got from this thrift store trip. I definitely should record more, because the reason these aren't that big is because I pop in and out of the thrift store very often, like at least once every few months. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.